क्लास स्टार्ट होता है. Yes, hello everyone. Just let us begin with the lecture. Okay. So yes. Hello everyone, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. And as we know friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete course for upcoming CTET examination 2023. And in this particular course, we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of mathematics paper 1 as well as paper 2. And this lecture are in the live format at 4 p.m. every day from Monday to Saturday. In today's lecture again we'll be talking about the number system, and the course is designed in such a way that all the concepts will be cleared, including we'll practice lot of questions so that you can score maximum marks in the examination. So the target for this particular series will be 30 out of 30 marks. Okay, so even the students who find themselves weak at the mathematics can score great marks in the examination. This will be such oriented course. So the central teacher eligibility test for that complete course has been launched by Global Online platform for paper 1 as well as for paper 2. If you want to get enrolled to this particular course, you can download the Global Online application from the Play Store, or you can contact us on the given WhatsApp number, which is 8669316919 or 8179138413. The highlighting feature of this particular courses will be provided with one-on-one mentorship. Okay, so a Global Online application, as I have told you, is available on the Play Store, from where you can install it. Once you will install it, open the application, you will find such type of interface where there is an icon named as store icon. You have to click on it. You will move to the page called as My Courses. In My Courses, you have to type CTET. Once you will type CTET course, along with the fees will be displayed downwards, and hence you can get enrolled to the course. Yes, hello everyone. Just mention hi in the comment section, and then we'll begin with the lecture. We'll start up with the question number 2. Okay. Yes, just give me a second. Okay, the first question on the screen is talking about the sum of given numbers, that is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 to dash dash up to the even numbers of the terms is how much. Okay, so the question given is, they are asking us the summation of the given numbers. Okay, the numbers up to the even numbers of the term. So to calculate this particular summation, one thing we can clearly see is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 is mentioned. Yes, so what is 1 minus 1? 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 plus 1 minus 1 is again 0, plus 1 minus 1 is again 0, and again 1 minus 1 will be 0, 0, up to how much? Whatever the terms we are going to take, the summation is going to remain 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. And what will be the summation of all the zeros? It will be 0. So option number C is the correct answer to the given question. This is the question that has been asked in again the previous year question papers of CTET. Okay, this was a very simple question. So the first question is, I'll just write down here the question first, and then we'll move to the next question. Okay, so I'll write the question. The question is bracket 1 upon 3 raised to minus 2 minus of 1 upon 4 raised to minus 1 raised to minus 2 is the question. Now you have to solve this particular question. You have to simplify it and tell me the answer. Okay, try to solve simultaneously along with the screen. Okay, look here now. Can I write this 1 by 3 like 3 upon 1 raised to 2? What I have done, 1 upon 3 raised to minus 2, I have rewrite it as, I have just simply arranged this as 3 upon 1 raised to 2. Did I have take any kind of reciprocal? No, I have not taken the reciprocal. You have to make the note of it. I have not taken the reciprocal. Simply I have rewritten these terms. Okay. So what you have to do now, minus of, can I write 1 by 4 as 4 by 1 raised to 1? As it was minus 1, it will become plus 1. Okay, raised to minus 2 as it is. Now we can simplify this. How? 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1, minus 4 square is 16. So it's not square, it is 1, right? 4 raised to 1 is again 4, 1 raised to 1 is 1. We have to take it's minus 2. So now the denominator are same. Whenever the denominator are same, we can simply carry out the subtraction here. Okay, so what will be the subtraction of 9 minus 4? It is 5, 5 raised to minus 2. Yes, so 5 raised to minus 2 can be written as 1 upon 5 raised to 2. Yes, so the answer for this given question will be 1 upon 25. That is option number A. Simply here the concept of rewriting the fraction is checked over here. Okay, that how 1 upon 3 raised to minus 2 can be written as 3 upon 1 raised to 2. This is not the reciprocal. Please keep in mind, this is not the reciprocal. Simply we have rewritten it. Here 5 raised to minus 2 can be write in the form of 1 upon 5 square. So this will give us 1 upon 25. Okay, so the correct answer to the given question is option number B, not A. Option number B is the correct answer to the given question. Got it? How many students have not got question number 1? Let me know in the comment section. Yes. Fine. So, okay. So you can let me know in the comment section if you are not able to understand any particular question. This was question number 1. This was question number 2. Now moving on to the question number 3. So what is the question number 3 talking about? Again, we have to simplify it. Okay, here what is given? I'll write once again, 1 upon 2 minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5 is what? Okay, as per the Bodemus rule, what we'll do? We'll solve the bracket first. We will solve the bracket first. Okay, so I'll solve first the bracket. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. This is a very simple, but for the students who don't understand how to solve such type of questions, you can see carefully how I'm solving it over here. Okay, so here the denominators are not same. Denominators are not same. At the same time, we can say we cannot carry out the subtraction over here as denominators are not same. So what we are going to do is simply cross multiply it. 5 into 2 minus of 3 into 4 divided by 3 into 5. Got it? What I have done, I have carried the cross multiplication. I have multiplied 5 with 2, 3 with 4 and then 3 with 5. So what will I get over here? 10 minus 3 4s are is 12 upon 15. So what is 10 minus 12? 10 minus 12 is minus 2 upon 15. Got it? So this is the answer of the bracket. 1 upon 2 minus what we have got in bracket, minus 2 upon 15. So can I write this like 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now this is going to be plus, minus minus is going to remain again plus. Okay, so I'll write it as 2 upon 15. Okay, so again cross multiply it. What I will get? 15 plus 15 into 1 plus 2 into 2, that is 4, and 15 2s are 30. This will give me a 19 upon 30. So the answer for this given question will be option number D. Got it? Yes. So what things are we learning from this particular question? The first thing that we are learning will be, can I just rub the screen? I hope you have got the question. Okay. So for this particular question, what things are we clearly learning here? One thing that we are learning will be, whenever we are subtracting a simple number, we are getting a positive number. That is, whenever we are subtracting a smaller number from the larger number, we are getting a positive value. Okay. Whenever we are subtracting a larger number from the smaller number, we'll get a negative value. What if I'm adding 4 plus 2? I'll get 6. Okay. What if I'm adding minus 4 plus 2? Here, what thing you have to carry out is, look at the symbol of the greater number. Okay. Minus a plus b, minus a plus b. Whenever you find such scenario, whenever you are finding such terms, what you will do is assign the symbol of the greater number to the answer. What does it means? So here, which is the greater number? 4 is the greater number. Do not look at the sign for a time. Do not look at the sign. Just look at the numbers. Which is the bigger number? 4 is the bigger number. What is the symbol assigned with the 4? The symbol assigned with the 4 is negative. So negative 2, that is minus 2 will be the answer. Okay. If I am giving you minus 2 plus 4, what will be the answer, ma'am? Again 2, but what will be the symbol for this? This will be 4, because we are assigning the symbol of the greater number. Got it? So this was something that you have to learn. Whenever we are carrying out the subtraction, you can simply note down these examples. One is 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Second example you can notice, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Minus 4 plus 2 will carry out again subtraction only, but what we will do here, we will assign the symbol of the greater number. If the number is 2 minus 4, again we will carry out subtraction and the symbol here will be minus. What if I am having minus 2 plus 4? Here again we will carry out the subtraction only, but the symbol of the bigger number, that is positive, will be assigning over here. Got it? Okay. Now what if both the numbers are negative, that is minus 2 या फिर minus 2 minus 6? At that time what we will do, we will carry out addition over here. We will carry out addition, but symbol will be negative. Again both the numbers agar are negative, if both the numbers are negative, that time we will be carrying out addition again, but the symbol of minus will be given to this particular answer. Got it? So these are the few things that you have to understand as a basic concepts, okay, of mathematical calculation. Okay, moving on to the next question now. Question is, which of the following are like fractions? Which of the following pair is of like fraction? What are like fractions and what are unlike fraction? Now this is the thing that you have to understand here. Okay, like fraction are the fractions, we can say, which are having same denominator. Okay, so we can say fraction are divided into two types. One is like fraction and another one is unlike fraction. So like fraction, in that we will study that the denominator are same. In unlike fractions, the denominators are different. Please make note of it. Okay, So for each question I'm making you understand what are the basics of mathematics. So whatever the things I'm making the note of on the screen, you should also make the note of that particular things in your notebook. Okay, so here denominator should be same. So what they have asked in question, tell us that which are the pair of the like fraction from the given options. So we can clearly see that denominator here is 3, denominator here is 2, so this is unlike fraction. Denominator here is 2 and denominator over here is 8, this is again a unlike fraction. Denominator is 4 and 7, this is again an unlike fraction. And if we look at the last option, denominator both of this given fractions are same, so this is a like fraction. So got it? What is the difference between the like fraction and unlike fraction? This is also a question that has asked previously in your examinations. Okay, so you have to understand the concept of like and unlike fractions. Moving on to the next question now. Okay. Question given here is, what is the difference between the face value of the number 7 in the given numbers 4782 and 32170? Okay, question is, what is the difference between the face value of number 7 in 4782 and 32170? If you have attended my basic foundation lectures, you may know what is a face value and what is place value for any given number, for any given digit in a number. Okay, face value and place value. So okay, so here what is the face value they have asked? We have understood face value and place value in our previous classes. If you're not able to understand, I'll explain it again. So the face value is the number itself in the given number. The given digit whose face value you have to calculate is exactly the number in the given number. Ma'am, we could not understood what are you talking about. So let us talk about difference between the face and the place value. If you see at the number 4782, here the face value of 7 is 7 again. The place value of 7 is actually, it is placed on the hundreds place, that is, this is the units place, this is the tens place, this is the hundred place. So the place value for 7 is 700. If you have to say what is the face and the place value for 2, the face value for 2 is 2, but the face value for 2 is 2 again. Why? Because it is at the units place. The face value for 8 is 8, but the place value value for 8 is going to be 80 because it is situated at the tens place. So got it? So face value is the number itself, but the place value is the place where the number is, or the number has been, or the digit has been placed. Okay, so based upon this particular concept, this is the given question. They have asked us what is the face value of the number 7 in 4782 and 32170. We have to calculate the difference of the face value. So tell me what is the face value for 4782. The face value for 4782 for digit 7 is 7. The face value for digit 7 in the given number 3170 is again 7. So we have to calculate their difference. Difference will be 7 minus 7, that is equal to 0. So option number C is the correct answer to the given question. What if they have asked us in the question, calculate the place value of 7 in 4782 and 32170? For that, what you will do? What is the place value for 7 here? Place value, place value for 7 here is units place and hundreds place. So 7 into 100, that will give us 700. the place value for 7 in the given digit 32170 will be, in the given number will be 70. So we have to calculate the difference, that is 700 minus 70. Simple, got it? So in this way you can calculate the place value and face value. Again, this is a question that has been previously asked in your examinations. Okay, so the next question that we are studying now is question number 6. Which of the following is not true for whole numbers? Now we know what are whole numbers. We have already discussed in our previous classes. Whole numbers are the numbers, or we can say these are the counting numbers who start from 0. Okay, who start from 0 are nothing but the whole numbers. We have already seen this. So what they have asked us, which of the following is not true regarding the whole numbers. Okay, so what they have given, option number A plus B is equal to B plus A. Option B is A minus B is equal to B minus A. Option C is A into B is equal to B into A. Option number D is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B in bracket B plus C. So for understanding this particular question, I'll consider one example. For example, we'll consider two values, 2 and 3, both are whole numbers, right? I'm considering the value for A is equal to 2 and for the value of B is equal to 3. So I'll put this particular values in the given options. For option number A plus B, that is 2 plus 3 is equal to B plus A, that is equal to 3 plus 2. It means 5 is equals to 5. Option number 1 is satisfying. Okay, what about option number 2? For option number 2, ma'am, 2 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 2. This is giving us minus 1. This is giving us plus 1. So this particular option number B is not following or not true for the whole numbers, we can say. But let us see what about all other three options as well. A into B is equal to B into A. What is A? 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. The product of 2 into 3 is equals to 6. The product of 3 into 2 is also 6. So this is also correct. What about option number D? Option number D, 2 plus 3 plus, if we consider the value of C is equal to, for example, 4, plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. What is 2 plus 3? 5. 5 plus 4. This is equals to 2 plus 7. So 5 plus 4 is equals to 9, as well as 7 plus 2 is equals to also 9. So this is also correct. So what is not true for the whole numbers? Option number B, that is A minus B is not equal to B minus A, will be the correct answer to the given question, which is not true for the whole numbers. Moving on to the next question, which is talking about which of the following is not the perfect cube. Okay, let us see this now. So for the students who have attended my previous classes, I have given you a homework where I have told you to write down the cubes as well as squares up to 30. So you may find what is the importance of this. Yes, now you can clearly identify what is the difference where you were not aware of the cubes and squares, and now you are aware of the cubes and squares. So if you have not done this particular work which I have given, please do it, because this is very important. Because looking at the options, you can clearly identify which one of the following is not a perfect cube. 729 is also a perfect cube. This is also a perfect cube. 216 is also a perfect cube, but 333 is not a perfect cube. So this is the importance of noting these stuffs. As I have already mentioned you, if you have not done this homework, please do it again. I'm telling you it again and again, that do it if you have not done it, because this is important. Now looking at just the numbers, you can clearly identify 729. So look at the options now. 729 is the cube of 9. 9 into 9 into 9. This will give us 729. 1000 is cube of 10. 10 into 10 into 10. Similarly, 216 is a cube of 6. 6 into 6 into 6. This will give us 216. So 729, 1000 and 216, these are the perfect cube, but 333 is not a perfect cube. So option number C is the correct answer to the given question. I hope you have got it now. Okay. Now, moving on to the next question. Okay, question again based upon the prime number. So what is the question? Question is, a prime number is a number which has many factors. A number which has only one factor, which has only factors 1 and itself. Okay, option number C given is a number which is always an odd number or a number that comes first. If you have attended again the basic concepts lecture, you know how to answer this question, or you know the concept of the prime number. Okay, what are prime numbers? The numbers which are having only 2 factors. The numbers which are having only 2 factors is nothing but this is a prime number. Now you are able to eliminate a lot of options from this. A numbers that comes first, no. Always an odd number, we'll see this. What is it? Is always or odd number or even number. We'll check this. We have to check this. A number which has only factors 1 and itself, or the number which has many factors. Many factors to nahi aayega. Okay, this option will be eliminated again. So what will be the correct answer to the given question? For understanding that, I'll explain you again the concept of prime number once again. So prime numbers are the numbers which are having only 2 factors. What does only 2 factors means? For example, we'll take some few examples over here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 2 comes in 1 stable and 2 stable. 3, it comes in 1 stable and 3 stable. 4 also, 1 4s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. 5 1s are 5 and 1 5s are 5. Okay. Similarly, here 2 2s are 4, right? 6 comes in 1 stable. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. 7 1s are 7, 1 7s are 7, 1 8s are 8, 8 1s are 8. Similarly, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Okay. 1 1s are 1, 1 9s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Similarly, you can find for 10 also. So I have taken this example to understand you the concept of factors. What are factors basically? Here we can clearly see 2 is having only 2 factors. It means it comes in the table of 1 and the number itself. 3 comes in the table of 1 and the number itself. 4 comes in the table of 2, 1 and 4. It means 4 is having 3 factors. 4 comes in the table of 1 and the number itself, that is 5. 6 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3 and 6. It means 6 is having 4 factors. 7 comes in the table of 1 and number itself, that is 7. 8 comes in the table of 1, 8, 2 and 4. It means it is having again 4 factors. 9 comes in the table of 1, 9 and 3. It means it is having again 3 factors. So this is telling you the definition of factors. Compulsorily, the prime number must have 2 factors, not less than 2, not more than 2. It means here the number 2, the number 3, the number 5, number 7, okay, all these are prime numbers. All these are prime numbers. So what we can modify the definition of prime numbers. Instead of saying that a number is having only 2 factors, we can say the definition as in such a way that a number which has only, prime number is a number which has only 2 factors, which is having factors. One is the number itself and the other one is 1. The number itself and 1, the number itself and 1. Similarly, the number itself and 1, the number itself and 1. So The correct answer to the given question will be option number B, that is a number which has only factor, that is a number itself. The number itself and 1 is the given answer to the question, is the answer given to the question. Okay, got it? It doesn't have many factors, it is having only 2 factors. Only 2 factors definition means not less than 2, not more than 2. Compulsory it should have 2 factors. 2 factors, from that the number itself is the 1 factor and the other factor is 1. Got it? Okay. Moving on to the next question now. Which is the only even prime number? Again, the concept of prime number has been introduced over here. Only even prime number. So what are the prime numbers? We know prime numbers 2, yes, 3, 5, 7, 11. So make a note of it that all the prime numbers are odd numbers except 1, that is 2. The only even prime number or a single even prime number, and prime number only which is even, is number 2. There is no any even number which is prime other than 2. Okay, make a note of it. The only even prime number is 2. No even number other than 2 is a prime number. All other prime numbers are odd numbers. Okay. So this is again a question that has been asked in the examination. So moving on to the next question. Okay. Now the question is, the sum of first 100 natural numbers 1 to 100 is divisible by which? By which of the following numbers? Option A is 2 for it. Option B is 2 and 8. Option C is 2 and option D is 100. So you have to check here. Basically they are checking your 2 concepts. One is, you know the formula for finding the summation of n natural numbers. So we know the formula for finding sum of n natural numbers. The formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the first concept that they are checking. So let us find what is the sum of first 100 natural numbers. So what will be the value of n? The value of n will be 100. So note here, the value of n is 100. 100 into 100 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. So this is going to give us 100 into 101 divided by 2. This will give us 50 into 101. Okay. So this is going to give us 5050. So we got the summation of first 100 natural numbers. First 100 natural numbers is 5050. Okay. Now we have to check whether this given number is divisible by 2 for it, 2 or 8, 2 or 100. Okay. So we can clearly say that this number is not divisible by 100. Yes, by looking at the number only we can say that number is not divisible by 100. Yes. So option number D is eliminated over here. Now we know divisibility test of 2. What is the divisibility test of 2? We have already discussed in the foundation batch the divisibility test of 2. To check whether a number is divisible by 2 or not, we are checking its units place. The units place should be even number. Yes, the units place should be even number. Then that whole number will be divisible by 2. We have noted this in the previous batch. Yes. So here divisibility test of 2 is giving the approval. What? That the last digit is even digit, hence this whole number will be divisible by 2. Okay. So the competition is between option number B, A and C. Now let us check whether this particular given number is divisible by 4 or 8 or not. Based upon that we can come to a conclusion. So what does divisibility test of 4 talks about? We have to check the last 2 digits. If last 2 digits are divisible by 4, it means the number is divisible by 4, is the divisibility test of 4. So here the last number is 50, but 50 is not divisible by 4. It means here this whole number is not divisible by 4. So first option will be eliminated again. If the number is not divisible by 4, then how come the number will be divisible by 8? No. In case of divisibility test of 8, what do we check? We check the last 3 digits. If the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, it means that whole number will be divisible by 8. But here last 3 digits are not divisible by 8. It means the whole number will be not divisible by 8. So the correct answer for the given question will be option number C. Yes, got it? So in this way, here 2 concepts have been checked of yours. One is, do you know whether the formula of whether you know the divisibility test, and the second thing that they have checked here is about the formula of sum of n natural numbers. So based upon these 2 things, you can clearly solve the question. So this was the importance of the foundation batch. I hope you have got it, the importance, and if you have got it, if you have not watched the videos that I have previously mentioned about the foundation batch, then you can go and watch it, because that are quite important for your upcoming lectures. Okay, so this was end of today's lecture. I hope you have got the questions that I have given here. If you have any kind of doubt, then you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, so this was end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching it. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.